We are going to show you how to make a sci-fi animation of your own. So for this, it's really simple. We're going to go Shift A and add in a simple plane. You know, scale it up, a solidify modifier, make it pretty damn thick, like that. You can add a wireframe modifier. Go into edit mode. You know, give it a bunch of subdivisions. You can set up your camera and yeah, add a material to it. So we select our material, give an emission material of about 20 of strength. Make sure you enable bloom, and then you get this cool looking effect. Really awesome, great, super cool. Now we want to add our text, so we can just go Shift A, add in some text. You know, RX90 to make it facing the camera, make it say whatever you want. Once you've changed some of the parameters, maybe the geometry, the offset, the font, choose the font that you want. I added a material, an emission strength with about 3, and now what we need to do is we need to separate these letters individually. So you can select every single one of them as an individual object. You could have gone into edit mode, press P and separate by loose parts, and that should cut up your text automatically into all the individual letters. You can just put a keyframe at the end of the animation. I wanted it to be 88 seconds long, and then you can just go to the beginning and scatter them, just literally just moving them around at the first frame with automatic keyframe enabled. And you play the animation, they all just go back to the original point. Now to get this sort of bouncing animation looking effect, I didn't do any other animating, I didn't do hand animating. I just selected all the keyframes. I selected all these letters here, and I pressed T with bounce or elastic. No, it wasn't elastic, I believe it was bounce I selected. Yeah. And then this middle text that pops in has a different animation to it. It has an elastic bounce animation. Just by pressing T and selecting the different interpolation mode, you can get all sorts of awesome looking effects. It's really cool, really simple, and altogether it's really cheap, zero budget YouTube animation. So hope you learned something. Good luck. Hope you make something with a bit more effort, because this was really a 5-minute test. And yeah, thanks for watching.